So now we're going to make a pizza style dosa. So pour the batter a bit thick. The batter you can check my other recipes, or you can buy. Just cover and cook it so it will cook faster. Now we can turn the sides. Now I'm spreading coconut chutney. You can check the video recipe on the description. Coconut chutney around 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of onion tomato masala. That also you can find the link in our description. Now just spread mozzarella cheese. Now cover and cook it for 2 minutes till the cheese melted on a slow to medium heat. So now the cheese is melted, you can see. Nice oozy cheese, yeah, nicely melted. Now I'm going to put it on a plate. Now lift it, put it on the plate. That's it, it's ready. If you want, you can cut into triangles. Otherwise, it's good enough.